Clear in engine. What are we doing? The Great Sandal Game has begun. Let's see. And we have the winner, Small Boy. Sit on it. You got it. Nubagachi, Little Human. Ring around the tail up. You missed when your human wants to play ring toss. But there is no peg around almost. Apparently, seeking fashion tips from your little brother isn't always the wise move. More proof that true love helps find our way to each other. Doggo and his tiny human may not be alike, but their climbing skills definitely are. A doggy. A doggy, a doggy, a doggy. It seems like the concepts of personal space doesn't exist. Okay, that's spicy. Oh, only the boy's arrival can make the puppy excited. Sweet.